In this video, I'll show you how to add another account on your Facebook and how to switch between accounts. So in order to do this, first head over to the Facebook application on your device and then click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side of the screen. From here, you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and you'll see this button labeled as log out. So all you need to do is press this button at the bottom. Now don't worry, as this isn't going to permanently log you out of your account. Just click on the log out button, and now that we've logged out of our Facebook account, we now have the option to either log into another account by pressing this button here, and then you can just go ahead and enter the details for your second account. If you don't have a second account, you can click create new account at the bottom of the screen, and this is going to take you through the steps to create a new second Facebook account. So now you're logged into your second Facebook account. If you want to switch back to your other account, you just need to head back over to the menu in the bottom right hand side of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom and select log out. And as you can see now on the login page, we have two accounts that we can select, and you just need to click the one that you want to log into. And just like that, we can switch between our two Facebook accounts. And that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.